If you're looking to create a course and you have multiple topics, probably you're wondering, how do I pick the right topic? Let's say you want to create a real estate course and you can teach how to flip real estate, how to raise money, maybe how to build a rental portfolio. So you're very savvy in real estate, you just don't know which topic to pursue. And this video is actually extracted from my course creation mastery course that I usually charge for the whole course, but this lesson I'm going to share with you completely free of charge. If you're curious about the entire course, check it out. Right now it's in a massive discount. I'm pretty much giving it away for free. The link is in the description. And also, I own a course creation company. We have a team of 22 people. We can help you A to Z, write, produce, and launch. So if you're interested, go check it out. But enough of that. Go ahead, enjoy this lesson. How do you pick your course topic if you have multiple? Enjoy. The first thing you should answer to yourself is this: what are you good at? What do you feel the most confident in that you could talk about all day long? Remember in previous lesson where you talk about you're good at researching, you've gotten results for yourself, or you've gotten results for yourself and also your clients. The topic of your course should be something that you feel very, very confident about and knowledgeable about. Because the hardest clients to work with are the clients who kind of thought that it would be cool to make a course in X, Y, and Z, and they start creating a course and they realize that they just don't have enough information. They're not as confident as they thought. And then you have to do research and all of that, which is still possible, but you want to start with something that you're knowledgeable, you're confident, and you're passionate about. Next one, if you don't really have a topic, you need to ask yourself, what do you enjoy learning about? You know, you're always researching, you're always learning about. I have my social media and content manager person on the set. Her name is Ali. And when she came and joined our company, she did not know as much as she knows now, like almost a year later. I can guarantee you she can create an amazing social media and content management course now. Why? Because in her job, she's been learning so much. She's been immersing herself. Also, she's pretty much now Kajabi expert, something that she did not know much about at all a year ago, but because she's serving her clients, she's constantly building funnels. Now she could go ahead and create a course on that. So what are you enjoying learning about, right? So that's number two. Number three, if you already have an existing business or existing practice, maybe you're a coach, speaker, trainer, or entrepreneur, and you have people who come to you all the time and they ask you, Ritis, can you tell me more? How do you take advantage of your credit cards? And because I heard about you traveling for free all the time, you book flights and all that. You go, maybe there's a course I can create on maximizing your credit card rewards course. Fantastic, right? And actually, by the way, that's true. I love traveling using credit card points and things like that. That's like my little side hobby that maybe one day I'm going to create a course on that. But so you want to ask yourself, what are people asking you for all the time? And that's actually sometimes going to happen naturally where you're going to go, oh my God, I'm just sick and tired of answering this question over and over. I need to create a course. Or you need to actually sit down and brainstorm and kind of ask yourself, okay, what do I hear over and over that people are asking about? Then once you pick your topic, once you kind of commit to your topic, you will need to do a little bit more research. We're going to talk more about that in the next lesson. But before we move to the next lesson, I want to address one of the biggest concerns people have. Once they decide on a topic, they go, there's a lot of competition out there. There are a lot of books on this topic. There are a lot of courses on this topic. And I would say this, it's not necessarily a problem. Because I would be actually more concerned if there's no courses at all on that topic. Because for example, let's say Facebook advertising is one of the hottest topics for online courses. There are so many courses on that topic. But also demand is so big, and also Facebook advertising is changing all the time. So you can be successful like almost every time if you have a good course and you have a good launch strategy. So don't be concerned. We'll talk more about how to compare yourself to your competition, how to make sure you stand out. So right now, I just want to address that one of the concerns people have. There's a lot of competition already out there. It's not a bad thing. It can actually be a good thing. So now what I'd like you to do is sit down and commit to your topic. Maybe you had 2 topics or maybe even 3 topics or no topic at all yet. You need to decide on topic because you cannot move forward with this course. So go ahead,
use that worksheet attached to this lesson and go through and commit to that topic, because without it, you'll not be able to move forward with this course. So go ahead, do that, and once you're done, I'll see you in the next lesson.
Hey, I hope you enjoyed this lesson from my course creation and launch mastery course that I gave you completely free of charge. I hope you got more confidence, that you have knowledge to share, and most importantly, how to keep moving forward. Again, if you'd like to get more support, there's a link to my course creation mastery course. You can get the whole course for $47. It couldn't be any cheaper. Or if you'd like our team to help you create and launch your very own online course, there's a link as well. Book a call, and we look forward to helping you along your journey so that you can create a digital product that you can scale your business with. See you soon.